Hello there. Today I'm going to demonstrate how I trim dogs' nails. This is a 5-video series that will just demonstrate how to trim dogs' nails. In this video, my lovely Chico here, my 6-month-old female Chico, will be assisting me. So let's look at the structure of the dog's paw. The paw is this part of the leg below the carpal joint. There is a carpal joint here, right? If you flex the leg like that, that's the carpal joint. This part of the leg below the carpal joint, right, is the paw, right? On the back legs, this part of the leg after the tarsal joint is the paw, right? The paw is this part of the leg after the tarsal joint on the back and the carpal joint at the front. At the front legs, you have 5 toes, all right? You have 5 toes, and below each toe there is a pad, right? There is a pad. I don't know whether you allow me to do that. Come on. All right? So you have 5 toes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And behind each toe is a pad, right? There's a pad below each toe, right? Chico is very hairy, you might not be able to see it, but below each toe, or rather below each nail or toe, is a pad. Right, there's a pad there. And right at the center here, you have what we call a central pad. Come on, look at the central pad. Stay right there. Stay right there. Okay. All right. This is a Chico central pad. All right, that's the central pad. And then behind below on each toe, you have a pad. So you have 4 pads, digital pads at the front and a central pad. On the back legs, you have a central pad and 4 digital pads. At the back there is no ducal. Only at the front you have a ducal. Alright. Dogs walk on their pads and not on their nails. Nails touching the floor are too long and they need to be trimmed. Types of nails. You have straight nails and you have curved nails. Alright? Chico seems to have a moment of hybrid between straight nails and curved nails, right? I don't know whether you can see that. I don't know whether you can see that. Okay. Right there, the Chico's nail. It's slightly curved, right? But they look straight, right? Nail colors. Red and white nails, where the red portion, right, represents the light portion of the nail. If I can show you here again. Come on, Chico. Let's show this. Alright? No, stay. Okay. Alright? Come on, Chico. Come on. We got to choose this one. We got to stay there. Alright? I don't know whether you'll be able to see here. Here we go. Okay, right there. You might not be able to see. Chico doesn't want to cooperate with me. But you have a red portion that sticks out from the toe. That's the red portion. That's the light portion. And then you have the white portion, which represents the dead portion of the nail. That's the part we normally cut when we are trimming nails. You don't go anywhere near the red portion. Alright? Black nails are the most difficult nails to trim. Why? Because it's very difficult to distinguish, to find out where the red portion of the nail or the light portion of the nail is and where the dead portion of the nail is. Multicolored nails are pretty rare. Why do I trim Chico's nail regularly? Stop her from scratching me. Long nails will impede Chico's movement. Long nails will cause Chico to trip and injure herself. How often do I trim Chico's nails? When Chico starts scratching me. When I notice her nails are long. When I hear crackling sounds on the floor while she's walking. And that's the end of the video. If you learned anything about dog nails and the pads and the power, now you know what the power is, where the pads are, where the nails are. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video.